Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll develop acceptance as we learn to trust the effects of our practice. Begin by settling into a comfortable seat. Allow your back to straighten without causing any tension. And when you are ready, gently close your eyes. Rest your arms and hands so that your shoulders can soften. Let your forehead relax. And do the same for your lips, your jaw. Relax your entire face. And now, tune into your breath. And notice your breath entering and exiting your body through your nose. Observe the cool air as it enters your nostrils and the warmth of your breath on the way out of your body. Notice how it feels. There's no right or wrong here. Simply bring your attention to your breath, observing its sensations. There's no judgment or labels here. You are just observing your breath, noticing it just as it is. You are accepting your breath just as it is. Continue for a few moments to watch your breath just as it is. And now, allow your attention to widen a little bit. Remain aware of your breath, but also notice what else is present in your experience. Perhaps there's a bit of discomfort somewhere in your body. Maybe there are particular kinds of thoughts or worries. Or you might notice emotions. Rather than engaging in your sensations or in your thoughts, simply allow them. Whatever is part of your experience in this moment is perfectly okay. Accept the moment just as it is. And if you get distracted or notice that your mind is busy, accept that the mind is busy. You can note to yourself, mind is busy. Noticing your breath, your body, and your busy mind. Accepting the moment just as it is. And now, allow your attention to soften. Things don't always go as we want them to. We might plan for a leisurely bike ride and wake up with a sore knee. We set up our to-do list only to fall sick with a cold and need to rest. Or we sit down to work and our mind is full of distractions. And in these situations, it's natural to get frustrated or feel disappointed. The problem isn't disappointment or frustration. Instead, we get into trouble when we desperately try to change or avoid our disappointment. Of course, some situations are relatively easy to change, but others aren't. So rather than allowing despair to take over, we can move into acceptance. As we accept the moment just as it is, we regain a sense of calm that allows us room to adapt. Instead of forcing through the pain, we allow our need to rest. Instead of pushing through our to-do list, we give our body and mind time to heal. Rather than getting worked up, we take a few breaths and start again, right where we are. It might not be pleasant, and it's perfectly okay to feel sad or upset, but know that, just like any emotion or physical sensation, the situation will shift and pass. Accept the moment just as it is. Now gently return to your breath and take a few deep inhales and exhales. Bring your attention back into the room and gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. See you again tomorrow.